Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on the always on display feature on this device. So first we'll just activate the unlock our device, and you should go first into the settings application. Now just here tap to the display and go into the lock screen section. Here you'll see the always show time and info. Just to enable the always on display, here tap once on the switcher, and now we'll just check. As can you see, we just right now activated the always on display feature on our Google Pixel 6 Pro. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.